Geomagnetic calibration. Why do we need geomagnetic calibration before use? Because the geomagnetic field is different in each area. Therefore, the geomagnetic calibration must be recalibrated before each use. Now let's get started. First, the boat needs to be placed on a flat ground when starting up. Check the remote control to see if the GPS signal display is normal. Then we have to drive the ship away from the wide waters 7 to 8 meters offshore. Press and hold this round button. Then press the round button on the top left at the same time. At this time, the hull will be automatically calibrated. The hull will automatically stop after calibration. Wait for the remote control to emit 2 beeps to complete the geomagnetic calibration. Cruise control. Push the left and right push rods forward with both hands at the same time, and then press the round button in the upper right corner. At this time, both hands can release the operating handle, and the boat will move forward at a constant speed. Press the round button in the upper right corner again to stop cruising. Automatic return. 1. Point 4 is a one-key return key. After setting, the ship will automatically return to point 4 if there is power shortage or loss of connection. 2. We are using a civilian version of the GPS navigation system, which may have an offset of 3 to 4 meters. 3. When the setting of point 4 is completed, the remote control will display the number of meters from the origin of the ship to the origin of number 4, not the number of meters from your shore. First, we drive the boat 7 to 8 meters away from the shore. Press OK to build and then press number 4 button. When the remote control number 4 button flashes and shows that the setting of the number 4 button is complete, sail the ship to the point 1. Press OK to build and then press number 1 button. When the remote control number 1 button flashes and shows that the setting of number 1 button is complete, sail the ship to point 2. Press OK to build and then press number 2 button. When the remote control number 2 button flashes and shows that the setting of the number 2 button is complete, sail the ship to point 3. Press OK to build and then press number 3 button. When the remote control number 3 button flashes and shows that the setting of the number 3 button is complete, press the number 1 button. The boat will automatically go to the number 1 point. When there is power shortage or signal loss, the ship will automatically return to point 4. If you want to reset the positioning point in the 1 place, long press the OK key to clear all points, and then reset the positioning point.